How's it, guys?
Today we have a very exciting day. We've been waiting quite a while, but we finally found the perfect company.
Yeah, so we're going to be heading up the road just now. We're going to be putting a new piece of gear, well, a few pieces of gear onto our van. We're very excited to show you. We're going to show you the process and what it looks like and the product. So yeah, let's go do it. We just got back to our campsite and we had a really fun morning. We'd just like to thank Frontrunner for sponsoring us our new Slimpro roof rack.
And the ladder. And we also just wanted to say a huge thanks to TJM from Middleburg for fitting all the equipment. They even opened up on Saturday for us and we were really grateful.
Yeah, a great team, and we had so much fun building this rack and watching them and learning from them. So yeah, let's climb up on the roof and show you around. New roof rack, guys.
So the great thing about this rack is that these are adjustable, so you can slide them up and down depending on what you want to put on your roof.